Is it time to buy or sell quantum computing stock? In this video, we will explore the intricacies of quantum computing. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 8th of July, 2025, and we are now here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any significant updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be construed as financial advice. Since the 8th of May, 2025, our system has identified quantum computing as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.91. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this period. Those who adhere to our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 129.27% since we first listed quantum computing as a buy candidate 41 days ago. This equates to an average return of 3.15% per day since its designation as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases are likely within this trajectory. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 174.86% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between 146.85% and 253.96%. In terms of a longer perspective, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of around 82.98%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 13.41% to positive 222.01% over the coming year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $16.76 and $62.31. Our latest daily update for quantum computing includes the headline, Quantum Computing Inc. stock price ended at $19.35 on Tuesday after losing 2.67%. The Quantum Computing Inc. stock price fell by 2.67% on the last day, which was Tuesday, the 8th of July, 2025, dropping from $19.88 to $19.35. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 7.98%, with a day low at $18.98 and a day high of $20.49. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 10.57% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day in tandem with the stock, which is generally a positive sign as volume should align with the stock's performance. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by 7 million shares, totaling 15 million shares bought and sold for approximately $290,810,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $27.15, and the lowest price was 53 cents. Currently, the price is 28.73%, or $7.80, below the 52-week high of $27.15, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Quantum Computing Incorporated continues to capture investor attention, with a staggering 3,427% increase in stock value over the past year. This remarkable growth is largely attributed to its transition from deep tech research and development to a commercially focused player in quantum photonics. In June alone, the stock surged 69.3%, driven by significant advancements such as the launch of its entangled photon source for quantum communication and the operational rollout of its TFLN chip foundry. Moreover, the adoption of its Dirac-3 optimization machine across various sectors, including aerospace and healthcare, further contributes to its momentum. This notable price trajectory reflects heightened confidence in quantum computing's transformative potential in industries like drug discovery and artificial intelligence, which is predicted to lead to a multi-billion-dollar market by 2040. The latest surge in QUBT shares aligns with broader positive sentiment surrounding technology stocks, as evidenced by a recent daily gain of 10.8%, while major indices like the S&P 500 also posted gains. In the short term, continued investor enthusiasm may drive further price increases. However, the stock's rapid ascent raises questions about sustainability and potential corrections, prompting analysts to watch for volatility. From a long-term perspective, ongoing technological advancements and solid commercial contracts could fortify QBT's position in a burgeoning market, paving the way for sustained growth and investor returns. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 15th of April, 2024, it was reported that Ascendiant assigned QBT a buy rating accompanied by a hold action. Analysts have assigned quantum computing stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for quantum computing. The Quantum Computing Incorporated stock currently displays a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, this indicates a general buy signal for the stock, suggesting a positive forecast. Should there be further gains, the stock is expected to encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $19.38. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will likely find support from the long-term average at around $15.72. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will trigger a sell signal. Additionally, some negative signals have emerged that may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, June 16, 2025, during which the stock has fallen by 8.81%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. The trading volume declined alongside the price during the last trading day, which helps mitigate overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal, pivots, sell signal from 15 days ago, Bollinger, buy signal from 179 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 42 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 42 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 48 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 37 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 32 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for quantum computing. Quantum Computing Incorporated finds support from accumulated volume at $18.97. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when this support is tested. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is categorized as high risk. Over the past day, it fluctuated by $1.52 between its high and low, reflecting a change of 7.98%. In the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 9.22%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for quantum computing, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This critical ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is losing money. Even established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 30th of September, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for quantum computing. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for quantum computing is at $19.79. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a suitable level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, quantum computing faces its first support level at $18.97. If this support level holds, it could present a promising entry point, anticipating a rebound. OT. The combined average rating for quantum computing from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's review some recent insider trades. On June 20th, 2025, Roberts Christopher Bruce executed an insider purchase of 0 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.0001 per share. On June 20th, 2025, Roberts Christopher Bruce executed an insider purchase of 400,000 shares of stock options. On June 30th, 2025, Huang Yuping executed an insider purchase of 1,050,812 shares of common stock. On June 13th, 2025, Baimler Christopher executed an insider purchase of 22,314 shares of common stock. On June 13th, 2025, Baimler Christopher executed another insider purchase of 58,510 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 33.386. Overall, insiders acquired 59,721,631 shares and sold 4,162,921 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $18.34, reflecting a decrease of 5.24%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a higher level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal has been generated from a pivot top identified 14 days ago. Is quantum computing stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for Quantum Computing Incorporated stock to perform well in the near future. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 9th of July, we expect quantum computing to open higher by 255 ten-thousandths of a dollar, starting at $19.61. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.